appreciating the canonical authors and their works. My name is Rico Solera. I assign Region 9 Zamboanga Peninsula. Canonical authors Antonio Reyes Enriquez. Good day everyone. My name is Rico Solera, and today I will introduce a Filipino canonical author associated with Region 9, also known as the Zamboanga Peninsula. The author I have chosen is Antonio Reyes Enriquez, a Filipino writer whose literary works are connected to the people, culture, environment, and experience of Mindanao. Antonio is recognized for his contribution to Philippines literature. His writing provides readers with a deeper understanding of the different communities and realities found in Mindanao. Through his stories, he represents characters and situations that reflect important aspects of Filipino life. His works also show how literature can be used to preserve culture, express ideas, and represent the experience of people from different places. One of his notable work is The Sky is Land. This work is meaningful because it presents themes connected to nature, people, and their relationship with their environment. It encourages readers to appreciate the beauty of nature and understand the importance of protecting the places where people live. It also gives readers an opportunity to learn more about the experience and perspective connected to Mindanao. Another notable work is The House of Rising Sun. This work is important because it explores human experience in different realities of life. Through his storytelling, Enriquez allows reading to reflect on society's culture and the challenge faced by individuals. His writing encourages readers to look beyond the stories itself and understand the deeper lessons and message present in work. For me, the works of Antonio Enriquez became notable because they represent Filipino experience and perspective that are valuable to our literature. His stories help readers appreciate the diversity of Filipino culture, especially the communities and experience found in Mindanao. His works also remind us that literature is not only for entertainment. It can teach us lessons, preserve our history, and help us understand other people. As a young Filipino, believe that we need to study and appreciate the works of authors from the past, the present, and the future. Literature helps us understand our history, culture, and identify. It also teaches us to respect difference, perspective, and become more open-minded. By reading the works of past authors, we learn from their experience. By appreciating present writers, we need understand the issues of today's society. Finally, by supporting emerging writers, we help ensure that Filipino stories and voices will continue to be heard in the future. In conclusion, Antonio Reyes Enriquez and other Filipino authors remind us of the power of literature. Their works connect us to our culture, history, and fellow Filipino. As the younger generation, it is our responsibility to read, appreciate, and continue sharing these stories for future generations. That's all. Thank you.